Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. This video will be about how to solve the IPTables error that is thrown after installing the CSF firewall. So let's get started. On one of my Linux servers, I have already downloaded the CSF package file and extracted it to a directory named CSF. I will reproduce the error first and I will show you how to solve that. Getting into the CSF directory and checking, we can see the install.sh file, which is the CSF installation bash script. To run the bash script to install the CSF, type sh space install.sh and hit enter. In a very short time, the CSF gets installed on the Linux system. As the next step after installing the CSF firewall, let's test if all the components of the CSF firewall are okay by running a perl script which is inside the /usr/local/csf/bin directory, and the name of the script file is csftest.pl. Here we get the error that reads testing IP_tables failed. No such file or directory at /usr/local/csf/bin/csftest.pl at line 144. Also checking the status of the CSF service, we can see the service is loaded but is inactive or dead. Besides CSF, if we check the status of the LFD, we can see it also loaded but failed to run. Now, as a troubleshooting step, we might try starting the CSF manually, but still we get errors. Further, to read the error in detail and check if we can find any clue to the solution, we can run journalctl -xe. Here we can see the error reads the path to IPTables is either not set or incorrect. IPTables /sbin/IPTables compilation failed. Moving on, let's see the error details for LFD as well. The error is the same. That means resolving the IPTables seems to fix the issue. To fix the issue, I think we should fix the location of the IPTables to the location on which the CSF firewall looks for. We can query the installation location of the IPTables with the whereis command. So type the whereis space IPTables and hit enter. We can see the location of the IPTables is /usr/bin/IPTables. But the CSF is looking for the directory IPTables on the /sbin location. If we search for IPTables on the /sbin location, we can't see any directory named IPTables on the /sbin directory. So let's copy the IPTables directory from /usr/sbin to just /sbin. Now let's try to start the CSF services. That's it. We didn't get any error and the CSF service is started. To verify, run systemctl status CSF. Boom! The CSF service is now loaded and active. In the same way, let's start the LFD service and verify the status. The LFD service is still failed to start. Let's check the log for the error. As we can see, the error log says LFD will not run with testing enabled in /etc/csf/csf.conf at line 83. If that is the case, let's break the logging process and open the CSF configuration file to do the needful. Then change the testing value from 1 to 0. Save the changes and exit the file. Then restart the LFD. This time we don't see any error, which states that the service is now started. Let's verify the status. Yeah, the LFD service is loaded and active. Now if you run the perl script to test if everything is running, all the lines of the output should be okay. Okay friends, that's it for this video. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. See you in other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.